everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day or great night depending on when you're watching this video. I wanted to pretty much just show you guys all of the cash that I have transferred over from my deposit account to my savings accounts and also over to Fidelity. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree. If you haven't already hit that red subscribe button or that notification bell, go ahead and do so. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. When it comes to medical, I keep that in my Ally checking account, savings account. So we started off with 160. I did add $40 to it from the last budget. When it comes to car, I keep that amount in Ally as well. So it started off with 265. I did add $50 to it. So let me go ahead and write the totals. So we have $40 plus 160. And guys, I am a lefty, if you didn't notice that. I know somebody asked and I'm like, yes, I'm definitely a lefty. I can't write any other way. When it comes to car started off with 265. I did add 50. So we'll just do 315. When it comes to travel, I had 70. I added 20. So 70 plus 20 is $90, I believe. See, that's why I have to use a calculator, because my math don't math like it used to. When it comes to gifts, I had 125. I did add 10 bucks. So we have $135. When it comes to my birthday, I'm not really sure why my birthday have so much money, but we'll just keep it in there. So totaling everything up is $285. When it comes to Christmas, looks like I need to start adding a little bit more to Christmas, but I guess I'm not really in a rush right now. So Christmas would have $95, and I'll also include screenshots from where I did transfer cash over from one place to another. I'm also doing it this way because it's much easier. When it comes to vacation will have 150. When it comes to month ahead, I did add 40. So month ahead will have $290. I guess you could say I'm pretty much ahead when it comes to bills. I just need to pay the bills for the next month because I do have cash just sitting there. So Operation Move have $270. I do need to start adding more cash to this amount as well. Now when it comes to extra Roth, I went ahead and sent that over to Fidelity, and I will insert a screenshot here. When it comes to As If I Had a Car, of course, As If I Had a Car is my 26 weeks bi-weekly savings challenge by Chris Budgets. So 190 plus $1,330 equals, now that may not fit, so 1520. When it comes to random savings challenge, I didn't have anything, so I now only have $45. And see if I can find it. All right. So when it comes to As If I Had a Car, I should have enough of these colored in to where it equals up to 1520. As you can see, the last time I did color in something was in January, so I need to color in, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5, and we'll just do 190 times 5 950 minus 15, 20. So I need to color in enough to where it equals up to 570. That's like 15, 20 minus. I have to redo this. So 5, 950 minus. So I need enough for 570. I went ahead and colored them in. So if I do this, okay. So I have enough for 3, which I've already kind of put a mark on. So where is... Okay, let's see if I make sure this is turned the right way. And it is not. There we go. Okay, that's it. So altogether I have $1,520 saved for Chris Budget's 26 weeks savings challenge that will equal up to $5,000 once I'm finished. So